Well, at Provena Health, we have made great investments in buildings and technology, and really our wellness program is an investment in our employees. We regard them, and it's probably a cliche that you hear, as our most valuable resource, but it's true. It's a resource that we feel like we need to really make investments into because they're the people that touch our patients, our residents, they're our backbone. And so our wellness program is really our way of saying, you matter to us, and we're going to do our best to help you take care of yourselves.
I think that we're here at Provena St. Joseph Medical Center, so very fortunate to have a CEO who's so interested in fitness and so interested in our employees' opinions. All good things come from the top and trickle down, And we had tremendous leadership, and that they really supported us in wellness. And again, I think the initial idea comes from that we are a healthcare facility. And if we're interested in healthcare of our community, first and foremost, it should start with our employees and be interested in employee wellness first of all, and then, from our employees go to our community as well.
I think that what we've seen is participation itself has increased from, in 2002, about 20% across our health system to 55% in 2007. And with that, we've seen increases in health, which really flows to our bottom line. We can estimate that probably for each participant in our wellness program, we see about $160 of cost avoidance through health insurance premiums every year. So a lot of great things that we've done, really appreciated by our employees, because over those years we've also seen through our employee opinion scores higher and higher satisfaction with what we're doing, what they're doing, because we're helping people to help themselves.